I want to show you the sickest Tesla ever made. Damn, look at this thing. This thing is insane, man. Look at it. Holy crap, look at it. You know what, I'm gonna drive that Tesla any day. Look at the wide body kit, the front lip, the flared out fenders, the rims. Damn, look at it. Holy crap macaroni, man. Look at that. Look at her wing. Look at the rear diffuser, like the wide body kit the whole car has. And the color is insane. Oh my God. Damn. Look at this thing, dude. This is crazy. Hey, when you go inside, plain old Tesla, nothing changed inside. But when you look at the outside, this is just insanity right here. Damn. Wow. Alright guys, what are you seeing right now? It's a beautiful Liberty Walk wide body RX-7. This is a totally redesigned RX-7 for SEMA. It's ridiculous everywhere you look. So when you start from the hood all the way down, you see the fog lights, the bumper. Also, I really like how they have the little vents on the fenders right over there. And you can't miss the side of that vehicle. This is insane. Look at it. Just enjoy the view. It's slammed on airbags. You can adjust the height. It's crazy. Damn! Look at that thing, man. That's crazy. It's a Patriot, huh? Yeah? Look at that huge turbocharger right over here. Damn. I don't know. I think that thing can move. I think that crazy thing can move. Man, this is crazy, bro. Wow. Look at this. Holy crap. Well, how low to the ground it is. Let me see if I can get the back. Yeah. That's insane, dude. Look at that thing.